Hello guys. Once again, welcome back to another vlogs and travelings and our journey vlogs part 2. Last time we have done a part 1 of our vlog journey. What happened to say? Hello, mi pi ho zo sinabon chao vin sun pa. To hi zoni ka chi lai ka chi jing lai ho hian ai mu zong kom tau ve ka ko ma pa so ai mu ti dia tai. Ha? Chilau zo, this is different vlogs, different location how that zo. They won't know anything. So right now we have reached somewhere kapano mun zong he point zong le amun hi adap mama zingin. So kakoma pa sa imu ti ta driver pa sa active thadi kanunga ho zong po active thadu ben kui ma bu su zong po ben. So this journey is gonna be amasa sa ka tunu be se ka sa poi ke van. Last journey part A was so amazing and it was so excited, full of excitement. Hello, mi pi ho zo sinabon chao vin singka pa. Toy ni tha lang mi dan pong bia hi tai. Toy hi Joppi ka chi kom lai to hin Joppi hi chong lai rest ka bolo hin. So Joppi, yes we all know Joppi is one of the coolest place in Manipur.
Coolest.
And then the people are so kind and so good, and there are lots of dukan and hotel also. If you are vomiting while traveling, then you can just stop here and just what the fuck. Yes, you can see lots of amazing things which is not found in Churchampur district, Manipur, and whatever you see, it's so amazing here. The place is so cool and there is a lot of foggy here. You can even touch the foggy here. So the dress I put is our traditional attire, zoupi hoops, and then today we are vlogging from Kenzoi village, and right now we are on our way back to Churchampur district. Hello.
Amen. Hả? Khát lắm cả lắm cái chỉ thôi. Okay.
Hello, mi pi ho zo sinabon chao vin nil ha pha e sun pha. Joppi hi gamdap ta hin hi ji chun ke ho hin nil ha pha ka ti wang yin chun to hi around Libya. Is lo de job am la ka. This is how cool Joppi is. And then chalanga zong hin in ho zong min chalanga zong hi phai cha la in tam tam min cha dukan om kinin to kom no hi Joppi Changi district a hi in Kenzoi kalang a hin chalau pul a sipai check post aw min tai ki ho hi chalai chamha ka changa pau hi an ji cho gari ka kham gam taw min I lo the law ka changa pau hi in. I think I'm pregnant. Right now we are at Joupi village. The weather is so cool and there is a lot of fog. There are lots of fog here. May bula kai zing in kai chu kalu su va zin kha ve kalu tai.
And behind him, this is me.
This is Pamilun Haokip. He is from Kenzoi village. And then next is RB Media, and here is our Hemkhochon. He is our driver. And then this is none other than Ngasi. He is from Pisga. And then now we are vlogging in the Joupi village. Joppi is one of the coolest places in Manipur. As far I know, the people are so good and kind. Happy Muntin too. Happy Muntin. Yeah, Muntin ka dai ka Kito thai lau din na. Oh, they said we can't buy that sweeper. Right now we are traveling upside to Joupi village. Lung xoang băng thì con cả lung đầy nu na bulka dove Gambang laan ginang na bulka dove Now we have reached Gamvetmol, one of the famous mountain in Manipur. Tuahi Gamvetmol ko na hitain, and then now we will be come down and we will go upstairs, upside, at top of the Gamvetmol. Today is a little bit foggy and the weather is so cool, so that's why we put lots of jersey and lots of phone. So we will be showing you how update the Gamvetmol right now, the condition of Gamvetmol right now. Tunai hi Gamvetmol hi tabang hitam at hial na ipipiham ti ho vlog cham cha kan versa du na hin. So let's go and explore the Gamvetmol. As we can see, there is nothing much interest about this na Gamvetmol here. Ko ta jong anu mama jing a hi ba cho anu na jong om be se po in mula ikal do a mula lim yi ka ba chi chu a hi jinga to pipiana. So now we will continue our journey again. This is so cool. There are lots of humidity, windy, and the air is so cool. We are just shaking our hands, shake my boot. Oh my gosh! I thought of climbing to Gamvetmol, but then they are not agreed. So they are not agreed with my request to climb the Gamvetmol, because since we are late and there is no time to visit this Gamvetmol, so we will go straight to hometown to Joupi district. So right now we are at Gamvetmol. The sun is about to be set. This is actually not morning. You can see the sunset right now. Tohi ni zong lumding hitain, pa zong om the point cha cho Gamvetmol zong ka lau du hitain. Ngai nu zong alu tain ipi lu do om biauta. Ima zong alu tam ta lu do. Oh my god, ka kidawala. This here is Haokip and there is Ubart. And this is Gamvetmol. Gamvetmol chalai mo ki mo ko chalai ko. This is Gore Gamvetmol. Actually this is Gamvetmol. Da Valentina kitin here. Indian flag khana kita in. Yeah, ipi flag bom khana kita in Indian. Yeah, ipi flag ham. Flag in ta khasang ta dot tawin. This is our vehicles, and then to the toy Gamvetmol here, they are building a new building here. This is under construction. I don't know what is this for, but let me show you. Let me show you. This is a guest house under construction. Here we are climbing here. It's like and this is Gamvetmol. I mean, here. They are protecting the land, so they made this guest house. Welcome to Joupi Gamvetmol, Joupi village, Sandy district, Manipur, India. We will go straight here. If you climb on that top of the mountain, you will see all the amazing worlds around, and the environment and the forest and everything. You can see them. No, my voice is shaking. Guys, right now we are at Gamvetmol, one of the famous mountain in Manipur right now. So the weather is so cool and it's so amazing. Weather here the mama into the so we just stop by here and trying to explore some amazing place and new cool place just to take some picture around, and then we will go straight to home in I'm not an English speaker, but I'm trying my best to speak English. So the place is so cool. You can see there is Gamvetmol. It's about 4,532 kilometer height and 1,000 meter deep, and then the humidity is 39 degrees Celsius. the degrees of the wind is 29 degrees Celsius, and most of the time there is cloudy and there are lots of foggy around. So the place is so cool and it's so good to go and explore with your favorite person and enjoy some fun here. So now we are just stopping by here, and right now, since we don't have time to climb and have some picture and explore some moment, now we will go straight to our hometown Churchampu. We will go straight to Churchampu. So let's enjoy again our traveling vlog. So the traditional attire right now I wear is zoupi khom. This is presented by Kenzoi Youth Club, and right now I put it because it was so cool. Thank you so much for coming here and watching this vlog. So this is Gamvetmol. We are already crossing it. If you want to see how Gamvetmol looks, this is Gamvetmol. Okay, let's go straight. This is the road of Gamvetmol.
Continue.
This is Gamvetmol. This is the one of the dangerous road. So as for your guide information, I would like to recommend that while you are crossing this Gamvetmol, you have to take care of driving. There is a conversion road. If you are driving fast, then you will driving down and you will go upside. So take care, everybody.